Let's be honest, sometimes you just don't want to use Fluid Engine on your Squarespace website. It can be simpler just to go back to the way things were, Classic Editor. But not a lot of people realize that you can still access Classic Editor sections even on a brand new Squarespace website. So in this video, I'm going to show you nice and quickly how to find them. In my website here, if I click on Edit, and then I go down to Add a Section, you'll see we've got all of these sections here. So, you click through them, blah, blah, blah. They are still, when we click, Fluid Engine sections. And don't get me wrong, I love Fluid Engine. I use it for like 99% of new builds. But sometimes Classic Editor just scratches an itch that Fluid can't. So if I go down all the way here, and you can see we've got Add a Blank Classic Editor. That will give us that nice classic section. We can, however, go a step further by clicking Add Section, and then we go all the way down, and you can see just hidden at the bottom this link here, looking for sections built with our Classic Editor. We click on this, and even though it takes its time to load, it will give us all of the old school classic goodness. So you can click About, you can find whatever you want. Maybe it's a form, maybe it's a donation, maybe it's a contact, whatever it may be. You click on it, and that is going to give you a pre-built classic section, and you can redo that as many times as you want. Also, if you do find, I want to upgrade this to Fluid, all you do is you click on Upgrade, and there you go. You've got a Fluid section. If you think that was a grave mistake and you want to go back, you just click back again, and there we go. You're back to Classic. So hopefully you found that useful. If you did, please make sure to leave a like and hit subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, you can get in touch using the links in the description.